Okay, so I'm going to completely reset this. Okay, so by default, when you press the second side button, you just get FM radio. I've got this radio, don't have any idea what the frequency or tones are. So what I'm going to do is program this, and then I'm going to search what that is. So we're on Windows 11. We've got the modified app here from Miclaw. So what we're going to do, turn off the radio, close this back down because we haven't got the cable in yet. You want to do that first, so COM cable in first. Open up the app. Make sure you get a nice sturdy connection. Into the side of the UV-17 Pro. Power that on. Set your COM port. So that's now reading the information off of the radio. Any saved channels would show up. We go to radio function, and we need to change this from FM down to search. Close that, and then program right back to the radio. Again, that's programming complete. Okay, turn the radio off and plug your lead. So we'll turn this back on. So now when we press this second side button, get seat, and what we're going to do is turn this one on, press the transmit button, and it's going to tell you the frequency and tone. Click the green button, and then you can save it to a channel. Okay, now we go to press and hold to go to channel mode. So to go channel 100 where we saved it, and you can see transmitting and receiving. All done.